Dear students, today we are going to discuss the third important part of the cell, that is cytoplasm. Okay, so already you have gone across this semi-fluid matrix which is known as cytoplasm and which is present inside the cell. Okay, so basically this cytoplasm, it is a fluid, okay, which is present between the nucleus and the plasma membrane of the cell, and all other cell components or cell organelles are present in this cytoplasm. Okay, so basically this cytoplasm, it consists of two main parts. Okay, cytoplasm, it consists of two main parts. One is cytosol. Okay, it is the fluid part, the liquid part of the cytoplasm. Okay, it is transparent and it is made up of water. Okay, ions, vitamins, carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, enzymes, sugar, dissolved gases. Okay, so these substances, they are used by the cell in its metabolic activities and reaction. So all the substances which you have seen here, which is present in this cytosol or in this liquid part, okay, these substances, they are used by cell in its metabolic activities, means the reactions, the constructive reactions or the destructive reactions which are going inside the cell. Okay, and second part is cell organelles. Okay, in the cytoplasm you can see various particles or various structures. These are known as cell organelles. Okay, so basically cell organelles, these are small subcellular components and they perform some specific functions. Okay, so in case of eukaryotic cells, means the cells which have well defined nucleus, these organelles, they have membrane outside them so that their content may remain separate from the external environment. Okay, so cytoplasm is a semi-fluid matrix which is present in the cell and it is made up of two main parts. One is cytosol, okay, and other is the cell organelles. Okay, now see what are the functions of cytoplasm. So it is a source of vital chemicals. Okay, different chemicals are present in this cytoplasm like vitamins, amino acids, glucose, ions, etc. Second is, it is the site of metabolic pathways such as glycolysis. Okay, and third is, synthesis of fatty acids, nucleotides, amino acids, etc. occurs in the cytosol. So formation of these fatty acids, nucleotides and amino acids, all these occurs in the cytosol. Okay, so this is the third part of the cell. Okay, so we have discussed the plasma membrane, we have discussed the nucleus, and we have discussed this cytoplasm. Okay.